Welcome to Bizzymind tutorials and entertainment. Today we want to learn how to use keyframe to control the position of anything in your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like you have text, you have image, you want to change their position, you can use keyframe to do that. Like you see in advert, you see text flying, moving and all that. So let's create some text. Click on title. That title, you click new title, then you click the font style. So let's give our title a name so that we can recognize it. So you click OK. Now our new title window has opened, so we want to type in so you click on the T icon there, the capital letter T there, you click it, then you start typing. So we want to add the word Bizzymind. So after you click the selection tool to drag it, to position it and all that. Okay, I'm expanding it, I'm increasing the size. You increase the size, you can change the font as well. You can do so many things here in the title window, in the hard title window. So you can change the font, you can change the boldness and all that. You can even change the font here. You make it bold, make it big, increase the size here. So what we want to do, we want to put it at the left side of our window so that we can use keyframe to move it to one side, to the right side. So let's place it anywhere. Even if you want to put it at the top, you can put it at the top or put it at the bottom. Let's close this window. We are done. So to bring it to your timeline, place your mouse on that small window, then drag the text into your timeline. So we drag this into our timeline. You can see it displaying on our preview window there, Bizzymind. So we want to click on it, then go to effect control. When you click on it, you go to effect control for us to start adding our keyframes. So you expand it by clicking the arrow, you expand it to see all the property, how to control the motion, opacity and all that. So what we want to do, we want to bring the text to the left. You can bring it to the right or take it to the left or take it to the right as well. Then you can use a keyframe to move it to any position in your video. So what you do, you click on the stopwatch icon beside position. That's what you want to do. Then you move your playhead to a point on your video. Then you adjust the number there. You can see I'm adjusting the number. So I'm adjusting the number. So these are the three things you do. First, you click the stopwatch icon beside position. And the second one, you move your slider, your playhead to a point from the beginning on your video. Then you go to adjust that number there. So after that, you can bring back the playhead to the beginning of the video and hit play to see how far you've done. So first thing, to make your video play smoothly, you have to render. So you go to sequence and click on render effects and all that. So you allow it to render so that when you play it, when it plays back, you will see the effects go into action. So our video is rendering now. It's rendering, so it has finished rendering. So it's playing, you can see the text moving. So but the thing you want to do now, you want to make it fast and smooth, and you can see this is my second keyframe. If you look at this window there now, where we have our mouse, this is our second keyframe. This is the ending keyframe, and the first one is the starting keyframe. So we want to bring the ending keyframe close to the first one, so that to make the video move faster. To make your text move faster. So that's why we have to drag the second keyframe close to the first one, so that the video will move very fast. So you can see it moving very slowly, it doesn't look nice. So to make it move faster, we have to drag the second keyframe closer, very closer to the first one, to make the video move very fast. I mean, to make our text move very fast, like you see in TV advert, text flies, text in motion, and all that. So we want to render this so that we can see it